Hi guys, welcome in my channel Network and Desktop Support. Today I will show you in this video how to configure routing information protocol version 2nd. So start this video and don't forget like and subscribe. I have given a note at there. You can see all the IP address of all the interfaces which is connected together. There is a fast Ethernet and serial interface. I have given note at there. You can see this IP address is showing this that is given to that particular port. First, now I am in router. First, I went enable mode to configuration terminal mode. After change the router name. After given enable and secret password. After that line console 0 password is CCNA login. Line with device 0 password is CCNA and login, and save this all configuration with do wr command. After before I am configuring interface serial 1/0 IP address is 192.168.0.1 and subnet mask is the 255.255. Here I am using a classless inter-domain routing. So clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. This and save this configuration with do wr command. And after that I am configuring interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP address is 192.168.0.70 and subnet mask is 22255.240. Enter and click in bandwidth at there 64. Enter no shutdown command and save this configuration. Now I went on router second. There is enable mode, user mode to enable mode and enable mode to configuration terminal. There I change hostname R2 and give the password. Enable password is CCNN, enable secret is CCNP. Line console 0 password is CCNA. Login line with device 0 password is CCNA. Login save this configuration with do wr command. And now I am configuring serial interface 1/0 of the router second, that is IP address I have given there 192.168.0.2/30 in 252 255.252 and enter. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. No shutdown. Now I am configuring interface serial 1/1. IP address is 192.168.0.9 and 222.55.248. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. no shutdown command for starting the router. Now I am going router third. User executable mode to enable mode and configuration terminal mode. Now I change the router name R3. Enable password is CCNA. Enable secret password is CCNP. And enter. Line console password is 0. Line console 0. Password is CCNA and login. Line VTI password is CCNA and login. There was remain login on line console password, so I enter it again. Now I am going interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.0.10 and subnet mask is 22250.248. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. No shutdown command. And now I am using an interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and IP address is 192.168.0.32. Sorry, this is the subnet of 32. Using IP address 33 22255.224 and here using bandwidth is 64. Clock rate command is typed by mistake. No shutdown. Now I have given the IP address of these three routers, which interfaces connected, that I given the node IP address on that particular routers. So now we will configure actual routing information protocol version 2. So first I will go router first. I forget to use do-wr command, so I use on these three routers for saving the all types of configuration. Now I am configure routing information protocol version 2 in the actual what is the process and what is the logically connected this router and sharing data. So first go to the configuration terminal mode, there enter the router zip command, enter the version 2 command, and now we have to manually enter all types of network which is connected all the routers and which is have all the IP addresses in all the interfaces which is connected that together. There we can see network is 192.168.0.1. This is the router first serial 1/0 interfaces. After that router second, so after that fast Ethernet 0/0 of router first. This subnet mask has typed by mistake. Here I am typing router first network, that is 192.168.0.1. second is router second 0.2. third also router seconds network, that is 0.9. fourth is a network of router third. Now I am entering there. Router first fast Ethernet 0/0, which is IP address is 16. That network is 16 0.16. This is the router second serial interface 1/1 IP address. Now I am entering 0.16. After I went on router second, now I will configure here the routing information protocol version 1. For that I went router configuration terminal mode to enter the router rip command. After that version 2 command, and now I am entering their network. The first is 192.168.0.1. This is the router first interface, that is a serial 1/0. Second is a 0.2, which is a connected router second. Third is a third also connected router second. Fourth is connected router third. Now I am entering network, which is a connected of router first, fast ethernet 0/0, that is a 192.168.0.16 and 32, which is a connected to router third, fast ethernet 0/0. Now I went on router third. They are using router rip command on configuration terminal mode. Also version 2 command used for using a second version, and network is 192.168.0.1. Second is a 0.2. Third is a 0.9. Fourth is 0.10. Fifth is 0.16. Fourth, sixth is 0.32. Save this configuration with UWR command. Now I will check this configuration. Now I will check this configuration from the router first switch and router second switch. There have connected one desktop. There we can ping and we can find router is connected or not actual. This configuration is done or not in actual. So friends, we can see at there I am going on router first, switch on desktop. There is I already configured the IP address, which is connected to particular routers. There you can see this configuration is done at there. Now I will ping from this desktop to the router. Ping 192.168.0.1. I am pinging from router first fast Ethernet 0/0 switch from the desktop. Now I went router third switch from the desktop. Now I am pinging 0.33 means that self particular desktop. After I ping 0.10 mean router third. After I ping 0.9 mean router second serial 1/1 1/1. After I ping router second 1/0 interface. After I ping router first. After I ping router first fast Ethernet 0/0. This pinging is done so we can found here this connectivity is done. Now I came on router first on the desktop. I ping that cell particular desktop. After I ping router first, I am ping direct router thirds on fast Ethernet 0/0 interfaces. This configuration is done and everywhere is a pinging, so we can understand this configuration is done, and like that you can configure routing information protocol version 2. Thanks for watching.